If you want your finished bench to fit nicely around your tree and the joints of your decking nice and tight, you'll need to do some planning. And by that, I mean math. A full-scale drawing will be made for half of the bench and tree on large sheet stock. This is because the bench will be made in two halves, then connected to each other around the tree when finished. Start by drawing the tree full scale. Then add another half circle with a radius 2 inches larger than the existing tree. This arc is strictly for layout purposes, to mark the closest point the finished bench should come to the tree. With that same radius, divide the larger half circle 3 times, making sure you finish right on the edge of the 4x8 sheet. Use a straight edge to draw a line from the center point to the 2 points in the larger arc. Extend them a few feet beyond the larger arc. Next, connect the intersections, forming a half hexagon. This hexagon is also just for layout. As you can see, it passes right through the tree. Because you want the bench to finish 2 inches away from the tree, measure the distance it is away from that layout arc, then offset the hexagon that distance towards the outside of the tree. Mark the 3 sides of the bench, then connect the points with a straight edge. This is the location of the inner edge of the finished bench. With a carpenter square, mark the outer edge of the finished bench by adding the width of your decking boards plus any gaps. For this project, that was 22 inches. Draw lines parallel to the original hexagon, indicating the outer edge of the decking, then extend that angled layout line to show where these decking boards will meet. Add the overhang, in this case 2.5 inches on all 3 sides, then connect these points. These lines will show the outer face of the apron. At this point, it's a good idea to start labeling all the parts. You can then add in the locations of the legs and cross braces, labeling those parts as you go. You can now obtain length and angle information for all the parts needed to build this bench.